My name's Emma and I'm a first year apprentice at Howden. I am one of the first female apprentices that Howden has ever employed. I first became interested in engineering when I was given the opportunity to do a week's work experience at Howden when I was in school in 4th year. I really enjoyed the week as it allowed me to see what a job in engineering would actually be like. During this week I was put in different departments and this allowed me to see what job I could potentially do as an engineer. I then went on to do a vocational college course at college while still studying at school. This was done 2 afternoons a week. This course involved a lot of practical work, like making small components on a lathe or using hand tools. I really liked the practical side and it did help me decide that I did want to become an engineer. Once I finished, I went to college and done a HNC in engineering systems. What I learned in the course, I am able to apply some of the practical knowledge while I'm at work. This course showed different aspects of engineering from mechanical to electrical, so it didn't just focus on one aspect. Nearing the end of college, I started applying for apprenticeships. I went to an open evening that Howden were having. The evening gave information on what the apprenticeship involved, and a tour was given of the factory and I was able to ask questions about the apprenticeship. When going through the interviews for Howden, each interview I had was very relaxed and I always felt at ease. One of the interviews included a tour of the factory where I could ask questions, and I felt this was a really good thing for me as it let me see exactly what I would be doing if I did get the job. Once I got the job at Howden, the whole apprenticeship lasts 4 years, with the first 6 months spent at a training centre where basic skills are learnt. The training centre was meant to be in Johnston, however it was then moved to a training centre in East Kilbride, which was a wee bit of a shock at first. However, I settled into East Kilbride Training Centre. I really enjoyed it. It was all practical based and I learnt how to work with hand tools and do lathe work and work with milling machines. The list goes on about what I learned. Once finished at the training centre, I came back to Howden and adjusted to factory life. I get rotated around each department within Howden and I spend roughly about 8 to 10 weeks in there. I also do day release to college where I'm in the middle of completing a HNC in mechanical engineering. This is done over 2 years. Once I complete a HNC, I will move on to a HND in mechanical engineering and this will be completed over 2 years as well.